YouTubers, better be careful. The neighborhood dogs got my birds, got one of the cages, and killed all the birds in the cage overnight. Look at that. They ripped over, that's the hardware cloth right there. And they ripped that side. They got all the birds except for 3 or 4. And over here too, look at this. They ripped that open and got in there. Yep. I guess the hardware cloth isn't strong enough. Look at all my little birds. They killed all of them. There's about 70 in here. Some of them got away, I think. But that's what they did, you know. You got to be careful. The neighborhood dogs, there were 3 of them, like golden retrievers, I think. There were two of those dogs. They looked like golden retrievers, and one little, small little, big looking Chihuahua dog. I don't know what kind of dog it was, but there you go. Look at all those little birds. They got all my little birds. Well, they better not come back over here. And they were trying to get in this cage. Luckily I got out here. See, they tried to rip that. They were trying to get over here. So there you go. All the little birds are dead. There are about 70 in the cage. Be careful. Make sure they're secure wherever you got them.